everyone, here is Gigi. Today we are going to make the Taiwanese traditional snack. In Taiwanese we call Hun Gui, and we will call stock jelly in English. So it normally comes with two varieties, sweet and savory. So for the savory stock jelly, it's made by wrapping meat and vegetable. It's a little bit like the dumpling. While for the sweet stock jelly, enjoy with syrup or for the dessert. In the traditional way, we mix tapioca flour and the cornstarch to create a batter. Let's stir the batter into the water and mix it with natural colorant. Normally, we use Garnier food to make the yellow one. And after mix the batter and water, we will put in the steamer until it cooks. Afterward, we store in the refrigerator. But now we usually have the pre-mixed powder like this one, and today we will use this to make it. It don't need to steam, just mix all ingredients together and put in the refrigerator. So let's go. So we prepare the powder, water, and if you want to do with the fruit flavor, you can prepare the syrup. For this one, the pre-mixed powder, we have two flavors, one original and also for the brown sugar flavor. So today we cook some brown sugar stock jelly. The ratio of powder to water to syrup is 1 to 5 to 0.5. So we prepare 300 grams of the brown sugar stock jelly powder. We also have 1.5 liter of the water. So we have to prepare the room temperature water. And let's cook it.